Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add voice on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Now you'll have to create a video. In order to do that, click on the plus sign icon in the bottom section of your screen. Now record a video. Now in the right hand side of your screen, click on the arrow just below stickers option, and here you can see the voice option. Click on it. Here you'll have to press and hold on the mic button in order to record your voice. After you've finished, click on the done option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on record button. Here you can add different types of voice filters. Also, if you click on the volume icon, you'll be able to customize the original sound and your voiceover. After that, click on the save option in the top right corner. And that is how you can add voice on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.